মিজোৰামৰ স্বাস্থ্যমন্ত্ৰী এই মুহূৰ্তত মোৰ সৈতে উপস্থিত আছে তেওঁৰ পৰা জানিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিম আজি এটা গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ বৈঠকত মিলিত হৈছিল सर क्या बातचीत हुआ हेल्थ इश्यूज के लिए
This is a very fruitful meeting. I was chairing the School Education Minister Committee during 2001 till 2008. We have so many common problems in Northeast. So to address the issue and to address the common issue, we should definitely constitute a committee of all the health ministers of Northeastern region so that we can specifically address the Northeast problem. So this is the beginning of it. And thank you so much. Let's hope that things will be amicably settled. I'm not very much concerned, but let's hope that things will be settled amicably.
पीसफुल सेटलमेंट
Yes, let's hope so.
सर और एक बात है सर आप लोग की सर एमपी ने बोलता है कि अगर असम पुलिस सीमा पर घुसता है तो उन लोग हम लोग मार नहीं दिया असम और मिजोरम के बीच बहुत एक अच्छा रिश्ता है और ये रिश्ता टूटने जा रहा है क्या और ये बात आपको कैसे ले रहे सर आप
I'm not aware of that. I'm not aware of that. Okay, thank you.
सर आज भी सर हैलाकंदी में सर माटी में सर डिस्प्यूटेड एरिया में घुस चुका है और रास्ता बनाने नहीं दे रहे सर
I'm not aware of that, please. Doing this mass testing, that is why the active cases is also improving. But as of now, we are still, doing this mass testing, okay? Well, regarding this vaccination, we have done quite well. I think we have achieved above 80% vaccinated, And hopefully by the end of September, we will be able to achieve more than 90%. As of now, I don't think we then have any problem. Now things go smoothly, transportation and the goods coming from Assam. We don't have such problem as of now. That has not been decided as yet. We have to address the world, with hope. Let's hope that things will come out amicably. Let's hope so. You are not asking a question like today meeting, my reaction. Why don't you ask me? Yeah, I am the senior minister in Mizoram. This is my 6th terms, And actually, we have to address the common issue. We have so many common problems in Northeast. Not only in health sector, but in other sectors, we have many common problems. So I am very, grateful to the Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare that he convened a physical meeting today. I hope that the suitable time may come when we have the physical meeting for the Northeastern region with advanced information. Today, unfortunately, the Meghalaya Minister and Arunachal Minister could not attend because of some problem. I am not aware of this. Please understand, because as a health minister, I would like to address the health issue only today, okay? Please understand. And the second thing is that I proposed on behalf of the Northeast Health Minister, to the Union Minister today to, designate one senior officer not below the rank of Joint Secretary in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, to liaise with the Northeastern 8 states, in health sector. And the second proposal which I posed today is that, we have unspent balanced in donor ministry. It is very complicated, to get the money for Northeastern state. So I requested the Union Minister today to intervene to the donor ministry to simplify the procedure, so that we can easily access our share for Northeastern region, particularly in health sector during this pandemic period. Thank you so much.